Okay, easy problem. Oh, so what do you do with that?
1.
You got zeros on the end. What do you do with that? Cross out. Very good. Okay, then what? All right, I'm going to erase them. This is why whiteboard works out really nice. Okay. Okay. 7 into 49. How many times?
1.
Oh, come on.
2.
Do your times tables.
7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 4 is 20.
7 times 4 is 28.
7 times 5 is 45.
No, 7 times 5
is 55. 35.
Yeah. 7 times
6 is 48.
No.
42.
Yeah.
7 times 7 is 48.
No, 7 times 7 is what?
What?
7 times 7 is
48.
no, not 48.
42.
Come on, 7 times 7. 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times 7 is
48.
No.
49.
Yes, come on, man. This is simple. Yes.
7.
Yes. There you go. Oh my God, this is like the simplest math problem he's had since we started. Okay. So this is basically about crossing out zeros is what it is. Okay. Okay, what's the next problem?
Divide. 300 divided by 30 equals how much?
Okay, do that one. 300 divided by 30. Okay. So what's the first thing you're going to do? What's the first thing you're going to do? Besides coloring in the zero. What are you going to do?
1.
No. What are you going to do? You got to remember. Ah, there you go. All right. Now we're cooking with gas. Okay. So we can look at it one of two ways. 3 into 30 or 3 into 3. Which one?
1.
1. Where do you put the 1?
1.
Okay.
3.
Okay.
0.
Uh-huh.
0.
Right. Okay, 3 into 0 is...
Remainder?
No, there's no remainder. 3 into 0.
0.
Yeah. There you go. There's your answer. There you go. All right, so...
Divide. 250 divided by 50
I'm going to see if you can do this one totally yourself. Okay? I'm not going to even tell you nothing. Let's see if you can do it. Come on. Let's put right down the problem. Oh, think about what you got to do first. What do you do first? It's the only hint I'm giving you.
5.
What do you, no, first you got to get rid of something. That's the second hint. What are you going to get rid of? Come on. What's at the end of each? Here's your third hint. Look at the problem. What do you got? What's similar? What do you get? Come on. What do you got going on? Both ends. What's both ends going on?
1.
No, what's this and what's that?
Cross out.
Well, maybe if we do 50 of these problems, you'll finally get it, but... So that's kind of the queuing process. Sometimes you got to do and kind of be patient with... Okay, what's 5 into 25?
1.
Come on. Times tables.
5.
5. There you go. Ah, you're cooking. So these are the simplest problems he's had. We just finished story problems. You have to draw out pictures. Okay, there's your answer.
And there's your answer.
Plug it in and you are done. I think this might be the last problem. Yeah, well, it's not going to the... Our internet goes on and off here. Let's see. Let's do this here. We got to get to the end of this. And what are we doing here? Okay. Okay.
Divide.
Okay, so
230.
We just did this
divided by
problem.
10 equals.
So this is
how
the problem.
much?
Sometimes MobiMax, especially if the internet cuts out, it loses everything. But typically this doesn't happen. Anyway, we'll correct this, but we already went through all these problems. All right, so sometimes you just have to go back to the home page, and then it'll do its little burp, and we'll go like to the home page, and then you go back to math we were doing, and go forward, and you see now it's taking us to the next problems. Okay, so we completed that section.
A shortcut for dividing multiples of 10 is
So this is two numbers into four numbers.
to first cancel out the same number of zeros.
And I think they're trying to get you to kind of think in the bigger picture
one
of
zero in the divisor,
dividing
1 0
numbers
in the
with
dividend.
getting rid of zeros. Because I think they're leading
Then
into
divide
powers
the
of
remaining
10,
numbers.
which would be the next
2
thing.
goes into 16 8 times.
So,
Then
They-
divide
yeah.
the remaining 0.
yeah.
2 goes into 0 0
So if we
times.
go back to the math, and this is kind of what I like about MobiMax, because there's kind of a whoops, they're not going to let us go to the trying to get to the home page of the different problems. So they're not going to let us do that. Here we go. Okay, so we completed a lot of work today, actually. So this is the one we just did, divide the 3-digit by the 2-digit number. And now they want to divide a 4-digit number by a 2-digit number. And as you can see down here, we're going to do some multiplication stuff. But then we're going to do multiples of 10 and powers of 10. And then they're going to get into some decimal stuff. But we've never really done the power of 10. We've done some decimal stuff. Here we go. Decimals by powers of 10. See, I see what they're doing. So we really hasn't got into powers of 10, and that's why I went back to this. I think this is like 5th grade. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think this is 5th grade math. So we've done some decimal stuff, but we never have done the powers of 10. And so there's a kind of a sequence here, and that's what I kind of like about it. You kind of have to do all the work yourself, but the sequence of how they teach you here is pretty well laid out. So one thing kind of leads into the next thing, and which is what I like about this program. Not the way they do it. I mean, well, math's pretty simple. They show some simple examples, but there's a sequencing here that is really important that I really didn't have when I was homeschooling him. I had some books that had the whole grade level, and they did have sequence, but not to this level. This is, so I'm trying to follow this very closely so he kind of can expand on, kind of get through his basic math in a very, very solid way before we hit algebra. So this is an example of the kind of steps they show. So math is kind of straightforward anyway. So it's I find with all the other subjects, so you really got to add material because he'll never get it. So,
One.
No. What do you do first? Come on, you got to remember what's at the end of each. What do you? Okay. So. Okay. All right. So what do we got?
2 times 1 is 3.
No. What do you mean 3? 2 into
That's
16. 2 into 16. What is that?
2.
Come on.
3. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5. 5 is 10.
2 times.
2 6 is 18. 2 times 7 is 21. 23.
2 times 6 is what?
18.
No, 2 times 6 is...
20.
Start again. 2 times 1 is...
2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 8 is
2 times 8 is what?
16.
There you go.
Zero.
Okay. So 2 into 0 is...
0.
Okay. Put your answer in. All right, there's your new
Divide.
problem.
2,500 divided by 50
Okay.
equals how much?
Okay. One more problem. Then one more problem. Do this one. Come on, this is so easy. Okay, I'm not going to even tell you what you got to do first, but you got to figure it out. What do you do first? That's my only hint. What do you do first? What do you do first?
1.
No, what do you do first?
2.
No, look at your problem.
5.
No, forget it.
5.
Look, you got 50.
Times 1.
Come on, what do you do first?
6.
No, don't worry about dividing yet. We got to get rid of some stuff. So I'm giving you a second hint. What are we going to get rid of?
0.
No, what are you get? What? Well, see, you got it with 2 hints that time. Okay. Eventually he'll get it with no hints, but you got to go through enough. So, okay, 5 into... Okay.
5.
Yes, very good. All right, now we're cooking with gas. These are such easy problems. You should do this with your eyes
0.
closed. Yeah.
0. 0.
Okay. There you go. Oh, good. See, I didn't have to remind you about nothing there. Except with the 2 hints, we'll cross out the zeros. All right, so onward and upward.
Divide. 4,000 divided by 20 equals how much?
Okay, we're going to see if you can get this yourself with no hints.
Cross out.
Ah, see, he can be taught.
Cross out.
No, you just can cross out 1. 1 for 1, not 1 for 2. If you had 2 over there, you can cross out 2. But you see, he can learn. And if you watch to the end of this film, you can see that he does get it in his brain what to do. Good. Okay, 2 into 4. Come on, it's easy,
1.
sleazy. No, 2 into 4.
2.
Right.
4. 0. 0. 0.
Well, you got to do 1 at a time. You bring down 1, so 2 into 0 is...
0.
Then bring down the next
0.
one. Yeah, there you go. You got it anyway. Okay, so there's your answer. All right, so that's the end of the film here. But it just definitely showed that sometimes it takes...
Divide.
Continue prodding until he gets it in his brain.
Divided by 80 equals
So,
how much?
and again, I had my head turned here. Just want to add this. He didn't even put the zeros in there.
7.
He went from that
He is 7.
to 3
7.
to 210.
7.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
21.
Okay. So he didn't even put the zeros in. He immediately took them off before he even wrote down the problem. And that's really huge. Okay? So it's not even a process of remembering. He already knows that you're supposed to do that. So when he wrote the problem, boom, he just went right to, there you go, 100%, over and out. So this is a problem, 16 to 3,000. And I was busy doing something, and when I turned around, you could see he already got rid of the zeros. So the learning process can occur. I mean, I wasn't even paying attention. I was busy doing something on my phone, and he already got rid of the zeros. So there you go. But no, come on. 6 into 30.
2.
No, come on, times tables.
3.
Come on, times tables.
6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5.
Yeah, where does it go? No, it doesn't go there. No, it doesn't go there. Where does it go?
5.
Yeah, right there. So there's these little proddings that you got just sometimes keep having to do. A little thing like where do you put the answer? But you see, he's going to zip through this. Boom. See how quickly he did that? And I didn't even say anything. So there you go. Put your
50.
answer in. So I think that was a good example where my head was turned and he read ahead and got rid of the zeros. Didn't even have to prompt him at any level. So anyway,
1,100.
just want to share that.
Divided by